Hey everybody, Jeff Holkamp here. Just gonna make a little short video. I said, I would be back on if something came up. Apparently, Fat Ass Dogs doesn't know how to keep his mouth shut when Tina's not there. From what I understand, Fat Ass Dogs ran his mouth off when, last week when Albert was up there and Tina left. Fat Ass Dogs, you did the same thing again when Tina left. You ran your mouth. I have no way of getting up there because my microphones don't work for StreamYards, okay? Keep your mouth shut about Boss Up. Keep it shut. If you want to say something, you say something when Tina's directly there. Stop being a pussy and disrespectful. Because I will tell you this now. You better be nice. Because if that happened in real life and you found out somebody's uncle passing away, there would have been major problems if you did that to their face. So keep your comments to yourself. I'm sorry, but I had to speak up and say something. Just keep your comments to yourself from now on out. And you won't have any problems. Bye.